Welcome students. In the previous class we actually discussed about how image is formed by a concave mirror. Okay, when object is placed in different position in front of concave mirror. Today we actually discuss how image is formed for a convex mirror when object is placed in front of convex mirror, and then we compare about the characteristics of image for different types of spherical mirror, and also discuss about some uses of spherical mirror. Okay, at first point is today's image formation by image formation by convex mirror. Okay, so at first we take convex mirror like that. This is your convex mirror, and we name this is L dash, and we draw a principal axis, that is x and y, and here we take this point P. P means pole, where P is equal to pole, and this is your focus point, and this is your center of curvature. Okay, that means C is the center of curvature and F is the focus of convex mirror, and PF is actually focal length, and PC, that is radius of curvature. Okay, that is actually radius of curvature equal to capital R. Now at first we take the point object is at infinity. Okay, so we already know when object is at infinity distance, then light comes from object is parallel to principal axis. Okay, so at first we take this is incident rays, actually that is parallel to principal axis. Okay, at first ray is AB, and second one is take R and S. Okay, after incident on the convex mirror, they do not actually meet, they appears to meet from focus point. So we draw dotted line backside the mirror, and from this surface we get this type of ray, reflected ray. Okay, so this is we take as E. Okay, BE, and this is ST. So here actually AB and RS is incident ray, and BE and ST reflected ray. Okay, so here after reflection, the reflected rays are appears to meet from point, that is focus, and we get virtual image at focus point. Okay, So in the point A, actually we got virtual image. Okay, so what are the characteristics for this case? Actually the characteristics are, for the image is, first one, very small size of the image, or we can say this is diminished. And second one, position of image is at focus. Okay, and the third one is, as reflected rays are not actually meet, they appears to meet, so the image is virtual image. And we already know, if image is virtual, then it must be erect. Okay, so this is erect. Okay, so these are the characteristics of image when object is placed at infinity in front of convex mirror. Now we take our next point, that is when object is placed, second point, object is placed in front of mirror, or we can say this is convex mirror. So at first, similarly, we take a convex mirror like that, and we name it, this is L dash, and similarly we draw a principal axis, that is XY, and this point is focus F, this is center of curvature C, and this point is P point, that is pole of the mirror, and object is placed in front of the mirror. Okay, so we take AB. This is object. So at first, from A point we take a incident ray that is parallel to principal axis, and after reflection we get a reflected ray like this. A D is the incident ray and DE is the reflected ray, that like that is appears from focus point, and one incident ray which is from center of curvature we take like that, this ray, in this case we draw like that, this is AF. Okay, sorry, we can take this is AQ, already F point is here, so now we take AQ. So here AQ is incident ray and QA is reflected ray. Actually why? Because this incident ray and reflected ray is in same line, because this ray is perpendicular to curved surface. Okay, as it passes through center of curvature, that means QC is the radius of curved line LL dash. Okay, that is why this is perpendicular, AQ is perpendicular to LL dash curved surface. That's why incident ray and reflected ray is in same line, because it is the normal incidence for the curved surface AQ. So here actually they appears to meet from this point, and we draw an image. This is A dash and B dash. So here A dash B dash image. So what are the characteristics of the image? Actually the characteristics of image is similarly this is simply erect and virtual, see diminished, and the position of image is behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. So there are two types of image formation for convex mirror. Okay, now we at first we compare or we make a table. So in the table actually we take here position of object, okay, and this is position of image, and the final one is nature of image. Okay, so in this particular case, at first we make a table, and the first point is object is placed at infinity. Okay, so for infinity actually position of image is at focus point, and the image, nature of the image, real, inverted and diminished. Okay, actually we take at first for concave mirror. Okay, and second point is beyond center of curvature, the position between A and C, and the nature of the image is similarly real, inverted and diminished. And the third one is at C, and the position of the image also at C position, and the nature of the image is similarly real, inverted, but size is same. Okay, same size. And the fourth one is at F. Okay, and position of image is at infinity, and the image is real, inverted and highly enlarged. Okay, and the final one is for concave mirror at position of the object is between P and F. Okay, so position of the image is behind the mirror, and the nature of the image is actually virtual, erect and enlarged. And the last one is for convex. Okay, we take 2 point. Okay, first one is at infinity. Okay, for this case position of the image is at F, and nature is actually virtual, erect and diminished. And the final one for convex mirror, in front of mirror, the Position of image is behind the mirror, behind the mirror, and nature is virtual, erect, and diminished. Okay, so this is the table for convex and concave, both type of mirror, spherical mirror. Where is the position of image and what are the nature of the image. And now we discuss about uses of spherical mirror. Okay, at first, uses of concave mirror. Okay, so at first, what are the uses of concave mirror? Concave mirror, uses of concave mirror. Actually, at first we take for solar heater. At first we take solar heater. For solar heater we can use concave mirror. Second one, headlight of automobiles. Okay, headlights of automobiles. Third one is it is used for saving mirror. Okay, and fourth one is it is generally used by dentist and etc. And what are the uses of convex mirror? That is, first one is for street light reflector. Okay, street light reflector. And second one is this is used as vigilance mirror. Etc. Okay. So this is the end of today's class. Okay, in the next class we discuss about refraction of light.